kumusta ang pangarap mo? Buhay pa ba? Or did you give up on it na? Siguro life has been hard for you. Sunod-sunod ang mga problema, mga challenges. Pagod na utak mo, pagod pa ang puso mo. And the dream you once had is not just about solving a problem. Pero alam mo, don't give up hope. Because these challenges are meant to make you stronger. It's meant to build up your faith. Tiwala sa Diyos at tiwala sa sarili. Like many dreams o mga goals, hindi naman talaga madali yan. Pero kailangan mong maniwala. If you won't get them soon, maybe you'll get them later. Pero hold on to them as long as it pleases God. At alam mo, minsan mga pangarap natin very limited. God has a bigger dream for you. But stay the course. Tuloy mo lang yan. And keep praying. Unti-unti, maabot mo rin yan. And you'll be able to overcome those challenges in your life. Kaya tayo ka na. Gather your strength and pursue your dreams.